Hi, welcome to the Data Learning Center. In this video, we'll be covering NewScrape, which is found under the PageScrape settings. You'll use NewScrape whenever you want to delete previous data and get a new scrape of the page. Let's begin. We'll open up DataMiner, and we'll click Scrape this page. This will open up the main DataMiner workspace. Next, click PageScrape. From here, choose the recipe that you'd like to use. I'll use Sandbox URLs. Click Preview. So again, this is just a preview of the recipe. You still have to pick your method. We'll be using NewScrape, which is already selected by default. So then all you have to do is click Scrape. And now you have the data available on that page. To continue the example, let's pretend you have downloaded this data and now you want to capture some more data. So we'll pretend we've clicked to page 4 because there's someone specific on this page we wanted to capture. We'll go back to DataMiner. Now we click Scrape. This has now given us the new set of data and deleted the old set. If you have any questions, please email us at support@dataminer.io. Our next video will cover scrape and append. Thanks for watching.